What is the best way to exit a function which has no return value in Python before the function ends? For example, a check fails. Let's assume an iteration in which we call a function without a return value. The way I think my program should behave is explained in this pseudocode. If I implement this in Python, it bothers me that the function returns a none. Is there a better way for exiting a function that has no return value if a check fails in the body of the function?
You could simply use which does exactly the same as. Your function will also return none if execution reaches the end of the function body without hitting a return statement. Returning nothing is the same as returning none in Python.
I would suggest
you can use the return statement without any parameter to exit a function. Or raise an exception if you want to be informed of the problem.
Return none, or return can be used to exit out of a function or program, both does the same thing. Quit function can be used, although use of this function is discouraged for making real-world applications and should be used only in interpreter. Exit function can be used, similar to quit, but the use is discouraged for making real-world applications. sys.exit function can be used and need to import sys module for that. This function can be used for real-world applications unlike the other two functions. os._exitn function can be used to exit from a process, and need to import os module for that.